wendero ni bambetaga Dennis Mutuma atakwenda kutakanya mbendero yake kwata mugeni wetu Rukirona karibu sana.
Jaba kama no Dennis bareku.
Mbui sana.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. That's been some time.
Exactly. Ibuga gano ntubakura twatanete na gwa na mbero nikenda tumbako doja mantu jaweti na mbere siasa chetu na kenda mwaka jogeta mbere tumbako dora twina kanya kama mbere kwa kenda yimbe kuendelea na kenda tumbako itana mbere.
All right. Kidogo no ndiro wikete mutegeri wetu atulinde ime wale tuzakuna maybe rutera umite
ibuga muno marita mbeta wale kumuturi murigi kumaja no dimenti ende mubangio maendeleo mbete kwa ambitete nguge the economist thirikari oije yetu account yake na nethiri na ndi mwana siasa ndaronga metegete kwa mubunge aja no dimenti kwa thaino kuya ma political economist na nto ya mwana siasa na mchumi mantu jarambe bombe dorangetaga muno imantu jara cha policy na mantu jara cha mbako thithika kisiasa na jarambo kwa affect mwananchi ki economy.
Right. Karibu sana bwana Eric.
Asante.
Na toa tukiambia kabisa ndio ito orimu mutari wa matamu. Ndio ito utagereta mantu wa siasa.
Yes.
Na kebio ndio ito kinyogi tango inde ni account general. Account general kuma tukuringa kura.
Yes.
Ndio tutano koka.
Tutanoka.
Tutanoka hizi up down up and down. Right now bwana Eric omba kwa account general where are we as account?
Nande kiure kia Meru County na aratore as a county ikiure nya imantu jati ariri dunya jake jari internationally nonto kuma Governor Kawira Mwangaza akujokia kiti na iri impeached just 3 months after election kwa Meru either subject a national debate kuma reu onkanandi na ituregerete nande nonto a date is already set ekomba ko determine fate kana mantu ja Meru ngwetikia match rera tueregerete mantu jakathira nonto kuna gachakacha kana tongere batukomba gwitango gyamwe iko affected the development last 2 years nonto miaka ethiri kere mbeche ire chire disperse to national government ichije nguruke 36 billion nonto nende tutukomba kuona mongana jo maendeleo jwete tena kiwango kire kwa Meru itete tebwaga na i plain sight nonto bakodera leaders bategweta mbere na kiro nto kuona nonto responsibility ra nene ya kuwathani antu na kuikia maendeleo mbere responsibility governor nonto governor no the development proposals agaikiria county assembly gatega na eka korukia kana eka but relationship you strained relationship a county government or kari executive na county assembly miaka uire tera friendly na nonto kinya budget era da ije ku implement tukiwa kwa ana bari kuandikwa budget jokirie unusual time kukurukwa nonto twakurukire nya new financial year tutina budget twachithira Meru thirikari ingi chonde cha county 46 of them cha kurukire budget chaambia kutithiano development plans chaambia kuibangora implement budget Meru no twari na stalemate ya kurukia nya budget yetu kwariria no kwa na issues cha itemized budget kwa na issues cha ntokuga maendeleo ya choke ward level ku kacha no ntokinyatha haitu bari ntegwete Kenya department ingi cha thirikari nya kuthithia procurement plans kena maendeleo jambia ku na ikino ntokuona Governor Kawira last week akigeria kusukuma mantu akiuga nako launch barabara county wide barabara i pressure ikogeria tu ku save nontore kuteke bombete kuthithia nonto kawaida tutaona ringi thirikari ikithigia launching ya kuthithia barabara kira tuonaga twetera kuona commissioning ya barabara ithithitwe tugetera kuona governor getete ku unveil development agenda haiji wana governor nyawe ngwa ikonye ni git consciousness ikonye ni otenku kugethetie kira kya karire kakwarande ka commission ija ile che kutenga na mbi na racho kirande mantu na jagweta tukuga na thaira ndito commission nya equipment cha barabara mbi not tutabwaga
bona ile kidogo ngotoki tokata kagera kuzuri takuna lot of blame games blame each other but tutage ndariki last week governor Kawira Mwangaza na dirwe agiseti mushema nijahe na kile mushema ndio dirwe ageta MCAs ikorenya na kanja ya minister dirwe nya na tongire bangi but kile mushema ndio na huge chunk kana MCAs baba ingi takinya at the same time kinya munini wawe governor mutuma tuinge kinya atendra kinya na ndio naomba kuba no problem because governor kulingana nawe keta mushema ni pigwa ijoko chwa mwere kiranda kuchwa dhiri batanta bateta
nande tuenda kuona spirit kira ogwetanira muchemanio no ntogatega muchemanio jojo governor etere andikire barua 2 days to the meeting kira tukuga governor fundamentally na afirite ku bring unity in Meru no nto otamba kwethera kwena gap na mutongeria ngeambete muchemanio no nto ikweti muchemanio jo I notice a very long time no nto Senator Kadhuri Murungi ora we county representative na etre muchemanio na jote to ekethero ri governor na ambete kujoke position ya leadership in the county na kwethera tukionaga Meru titabwaga muchemanio ni tariki 10 na tariki 10 tigerie ntuku inya wetie muchemanio jungi ya no gweta kwarire mantu ya development na kiure kinene I development eriku yarirwe nontu muchemanio jo agenda nontu agenda era ya umbere ke muchemanio jojo governor areketie gweta aitetenya MCAs bariria mantu ya development MCAs nya baririses ekara ere muchemanio tujo ko distract muchemanio jo ndio tariki 10 nengo chokia nkado no ke Senator Kadhuri Murungi nontu bokoteirinya muchemanio jo tariki 10 nontu muchemanio jo tariki 9 buga atirie nontu bo spirit kana ithugani ura kwithira mbuga Kawira eta muchemanio jojo akareta anto amwe mbuga kana kujwa space batoka taka muchemanio jo Kawira agenda muchemanio jo Kawira etanira out jakaetaka tu MCAs ikenda twanya tura twa advertise public service board tuteka ajano nonto ote development agenda toigwe kyarirwo
lakini banare kuria kuringana ogo wote kete county currently the governor ageta na mushemani do think MCAs bagakija inyaga ajaba 2 months to
nande na kuga too little too late no ekonyenya good na MCAs ngugi nonto kuitaniria ngugi amwe ya sheria is very clear role county assembly oversight kana gukurukia development agenda era thirikari kurukitie governor ngugi we no ne ku implement na ku propose it will take 2 years ya process hizi na governor Kawira Mwangaza na remeto ku create goodwill na MCAs ko ijara tugaga muchonko no gere you cannot fatten the cow on the market date tumbare etombogo dora egitari urionde no remeto ko bare tamwe odogani after a successful impeachment okejara ande thaici obaira rande no twaranire after March 14 and iro kurumbo tumwa but as at now Kawira MPCs vai baba mu impeachete bana reasons chawe kurukua Senate ko at this moment Kawira Mwangaza kira bat kudide no ntukwe budget kurukitu tayari na bat kudoro ki implement that budget jajange jonde for me is side shows
right for that dot bana Eric motege turi ndane turi inge eme na turi na mojo siasa ndane county Meru bana Eric Mutwiri tutakaira oran siasa cha county jeje titana mbere dikana turi ndane ya YouTube live etare Meru TV digital watheo gitwona imwe kwa imwe like subscribe na ngoro kiwithiro kithingatira roria rwetu turinge ime ntukwanaro twethira tugitandukene second inkai twethira tugitandukene second inkai na twachokera na mugeno wetu ntuko twethira tugitegera mauntu jegi kinya wandikani bora ibugutumirwa ndene account ya Meru the Public Service Board kwethira kugito twanya mwanya twa antu bethira bagi apply ngogici na nyumene twethira tukiona governor amwe na county secretary bakiregana na mantu jegie antu kwethira bakiandika kana advertisement ire gikwa ya mantu jegie wandikani twethira tugita break ya second imwe tutandukene tutogerete ndene eturinge.
Nwethiritwo gichwana aria ukagura mabati ya kuimba nyumba yaku na style iria ukwenda. Duralong Mabati Factory Limited turi aje ni undu bwaku. Nitwendagia mabati ja rangi mwanya na ja mithemba mwanya ta Duralong Tile, Box Profile, Durahome kana Corrugated, Duralong Roman Tile na magori ja kuguna mukojo waku.
Beta wa Muthomi kuma Duralong Mabati ni operations manager arengende quality control officer. Duralong Mabati tubwetha cia mabati ya mithemba mwanya na rangi mwanya. Kuna rangi ya blue, charcoal grey na ringi mbingi ro wisi. Tubwetha cia no accessories yayo ya ridges, tunaona kinya misumari na rubber washers. Tuita mabati yetu kulingana na ithimi bya nyumba yeku.
Nkoroki netukamataira ateja betu mabati mwanka mochi. Duralong turi Isiolo barabareni ya kuerekera Isiolo Airport. Kumenya manto nkoroki turiongere bichine chieto kana turingire thimo kukurukira 0110 581 292. Duralong Mabati Factory Limited. Tested, approved and trusted.
Meru TV twendene ya turinge Meru kirona arua na nara tukuringira mono ndani account ya Meru ino tukuthoja siasa ira chete twachigeta na mbere. Bwana Eric, nuthiro tokiona kuna advertisement ya Rikitina gwikwa.
Yes.
Na currently wategera thaiyi akenya nyete Meru ake akenya baraba ingi batena ngo giche kurita. Advertisement ye kwa maybe some people are trying to advertise. Nyumene tona controversy. Kwerekana gotena ngo gita yu na inyai toka irike nyamera. Ugo wondere atambiche that time.
Are is a shame. It's a shame kethirikare county government Meru tongerete Kawira Mwangaza. Non to ende ne Korea farm that Kawira Mwangaza atira amba ko display leadership. Non to kwetherwa mea County Public Service Board etukerantu kwemwe advertise positions. Kwena a whole process ira thingataira kere kuandika. Kitiga nya kuandika antu ake kinya kere any procurement. Lazima kwethero kwena plans cia thithitwe, lazima kwethero kwena tutegete budget na mantje ujonde. Na kwethero Kawira Mwangaza ino ndo kwere muchemno juwe tete jo akari kote maendeleo enda kwaria. Kwena iko konya ni kwena predetermined thought process ya kwamba ku shan the mantuja uja kuandika ana baba hivi na ndeta kama mantuja na broader picture na Kawira Mwangaza tigente kiu kiambere aremete kutuma ja implemento na Meru yorat Kenya tuna Kenya Vision 2030 Meru ina Meru Vision 2040 ira irekeretie ora Meru toka ora development ka achieved in the county na ute development mbo karika kithia gutena software kairaija human resource kana proper management of resources mbechiri kuja county mantu jonde all assembly ijo jomba kureta maendeleo kiri county reto kwaria nonto kwa leadership oje ekawira mwangaza over the last 2 years ariti bangu baba bengi bari resign tenguke kiri health secretary kiri county my positions iji chiteka chi created from the blues ni antu bare mi kuritanguye na kawira mwangaza madaktari no kurikana ibakarite for the longest record time bate kuri wa michara kinya daktari ora ukwirire Kenyatta National Hospital au metemeru no nto frustration ambago itanara na no kuona no nto ora ari ako thangi kameru ateri michara eta national eta KNH kumbuka kuthirikire mathomo jakai eta agwitanguyo rabange baitagana ku issues ira chareo to lose a very young person. We have lost hundreds of staff not work with the disgruntled not work with which antere county government as a former employee au interacted na baba ingi mono baketu encourage let's keep calling the government let's call upon the government kana to endele komoreka government nonto bari ugainya kwari nyamandu ja kawaida jara banga maendeleo objectively ibakothitangwa ikorwa kuna spies within the county government environment at the county government is untenable ariti bangu ke bari zainite bometa beta gonto mwanya nande thaizi nonto weta sibitari okaigwa ukatareria kiria county public service board pakwaria ogeta masibitari mandaktari ratio medical practitioner ke barabati go serve itete kiongerekaga kou iti prudent no to department ira rande jawo we monene tugirande jawoni andonga merete MTRH Meru Referral and Training Hospital pressure ini kwa yawa so the only thing I'll do ngata ke public service board bare oni kwenda bomba andikira na kuena process a departmental level monka gweta kere county human resource level na monka present ke county assembly kokaerekana randi to bati kuandika ariti bangu ke ende governor o county ora kugana kumenyera kana ka county kana ka Mumeru etauge positions you necessary. What does that mean? Non to petty politics, non to kinyake impeachment process is one of the issues chomirete ikwedra na abutaga muandiki munene o county public service board ko kwenye governor atukomba kwa objective ayete subjective non to patiki gona na mtomona aende kuethirande tuteondekana non to by na personal issues na muandiki munene o that board
public service bona reke kidogo no tariri nyakira Mumeru kidogo oga shed some light governor ena inya ya gutonyera mantu zege public service board decision ira katona and public service bucket advertisement governor na dagra inya ya ku cancel such a thing
atena inya to Kenya na inya county government framework enshrined by law kwenda into our county government act. I think it's section 52 around there. Tujaraja ku establish the county public service board na irekwa ekomea mainya na very clear that the public service board is an independent body na independent kenda yomba kutega mantu kuandika na objectively kenda kutega kuna favoritism na mantu jau ko board area very independent within its mandate, within its right kuendelea na process nonto bunkake nonto ne kwenye process meta okirantu kwa moyo garande na arore to ku advertise position lazima kuna need analysis kena to establish need each department kariatea manto ya kariatea aspect chikwariro cha wage bill indi manto ya conflicting objectives eja kuga we na mpara na ende no bati korea endo kambe kuwa tena ambia no kona what you do you have to establish a need kwena njira nyingi mono cha address the issue of the wage bill non to wage bill nito utaka what is the allocation at the county level ito kuchuria mya kwena njira nyingi mono county omba kuendelea non to we need to deliver development to our people. Tuteomba ku deliver health services yago tena ariti bangu. Kwa issues cha wage bill chomba ku address in very many other ways. Kuna issues cha how much is allocated at the county level. Kuna issues cha ku rationalize our expenditure at the county level. Mantuja jonde no tukemanya kadena yetu oraire no tugeketha we na mpara na we na mbeche nkai kawe toka reduce expenses ingi oka prioritize jange jamakai kana toka wakada kenda tomba ku mobilize more resources kana mantu chachagu. But at this moment kana tiwa consultation 20 around MCAs bogere antu wakande kanwa neko bit logic nonto nguge county assembly neck representation mbere issue kuandika ana na facets ijire kento kya mbere ana bato batena ngugi kuna a youthful population ya mantia rejo cha Gen Z. It was because young people with education pato me na bombeta kwa batena ngugi bo bare na riot. Secondly, service delivery na ngukonye positions hizi nya iko filo 80% of these positions, the new positions. Iji positions anto ba umetake ba resign ete kana ba ete disgruntled kana ba mababuti kana ba force to ba resign na onto ba perception ya ko support the government of the day. Kwa bara re bare ore na bare kwa mechara. Eneke kota na issues cha wage bill. What in be bigger issue ya wage bill kuna mantaja maingi dirikare kuthithia na eka justify na the need development na mantaja. So I think to say the least kana wara kimumba kuga na ati kuithirwa kawira mwangaza muchemo njera etere MCAs kira ke barereri kuithirwa batande kantu is just a shame na kwenye nyawa engwa atena control kana nonto mantaja lazima kuretha kwena internal consultation process mbere county government county public service board umera ko advertise na now a whole chance as the governor of Meru County kuuga kana kuereja na concerns chawe tetera manto jambire kumara akaraja karande kuibia go safe. Nothing but that is just to show lack of leadership, and it is a shame.
Okay.
Kirewe na the county secretary.
All right. Bwana Eric kidogo tu rutera rutwere kire rutera onge. Ndene account sometime ago kwirotwa ragia na agarwaria some place na toethera mono no gutagera these young people the generation young people man tujegie uraba gwitethena na gwikuria same last year itokuona itinya ogore wenga ori ke mage kipindi kiria kithiretwe ke cinema ithiretwe ke Zamero na mono gutigira maybe talent na gukirie wana gutaka tukatageria leadership currently na mosuto ambire ki county 012 dirikari ni thiritwe kionania gutethia these young people ke yewa ke togogeto kidogo these young people ko no bethiritwe bakiteteka ugitaka hira
na nde nkino ntokuga the young person is very frustrated na the young person or expect job opportunities or expect an economy that is working by challenges from the national level to the county level. Ugane umano ni mbethote nke participate ke mantu ja talent identification na kukuria talent nonto as a young leader na ndemo bange maendeleo indicate kutaka sector area especially here in Kenya tutumbe to develop so much is a creative economy, and I'm grateful that in Africa na Arua government nyingi chambetinya ku identify the creative economy just segment in an area umba observe young people. Lakini on today frustrated mononda ataka some of the initiatives cha national government cha kuga ati tuka address issue ya unemployment na wikiana vetu Saudi Arabia nganana na very unfortunate. Kuna a very robust sector, a creative economy umba observe as many people as possible. Last year of course still last year kero to ningwa nikiromba nyage teke mbunge na udhimenti identified 2 areas inanda ije na potential kuria mgongojo wetu ya agriculture na art. Na art ije nombete mbambetike kundike to sana culture. Mbambetike to ndena exposure within East Africa no ndombe participate East Africa Community Trade Fair. All the countries constitute East African Community. And areke kuona how mantu yote ajaja na jomba kuguna economy yetu. Na kaire last year etuambe tuko participate kire launch African Union African Audiovisual Cinema Commission. Ere tuere motivation ekotonya ke cinema. Na tuatega no tuena exposure yantumite Nigeria. Tukaona Nigeria, creative economy is the second largest employer in that economy. To interact na Antuba Tanzania Film Commission. Bara to establish a contact. Na bange perform the Durban Film Festival. Tuareke kuona in Africa. Tukaomba kutonyera kema tuja cinema. Kana film neo yomba kureta asani bonde amwe. Kithea neini, kithea neva fine arts, creatives, performing artists. Na twathithia kipindi gigwitwa Divas of Mutindwa. Na tuchokire mumiro nkatho na tubetu bonde no tubombere gutwitika. Na inyate political class. Kireto murongi nareo na inya ibatwerete baga support. Kire screening era tukathithia Nairobi na Kimeru Institute. Tukathithia February this coming month. But experience yetu kema tuja witombeto kuona na cinema wake itombeto kwethora tukiinvolve young people more than 100. Okataga i company rikumiru yomba kuga yomba kuandika antu 100 nya banks riri cyandika antu 15 20 to akinyambuga Meru Central ro tomba kwambirira numbers je kuma hundreds and hundreds. Na tutiroma Kinya county government Meru apart from tugereti mono kira bombere wototete this project which we appreciate Meru Youth Service kutotete na security, but production and which we usually we spent close to 2 million.
Have you approached the county?
We did. Tuandikirite barua nyake the highest office and onto cinema itisiasa onto cinema ne support talent. We reached out to all. Tika na cinema ke ningo imbo bete ko tanke participate ke sports in the county. Yes. Non tunde chairman wa Black Panther Queens. Black Panther Queens iratu na nibije Black Panther is a big team here. The chairman of Queens na tuene Black Panther football club. Ke mantu jonde tore ko de chess sport. Tutone nya minister. Orea wa saini mantu sport. Kinyante muiji. Nta muona michezo nera tucheze mwaka juju ndo watira. Taito kwambia we are struggling to support local football. I will surprise you, Black Panther Queen to women football for the first time already to a county league. Yes. Last year. Na our team emerged the winner na ne do with a division 1. Division 1. Nonto ke women football in a velocity with mbere monono ntone kurukairwa regionals na kwa division 2 to get a straight division 1. Kwa Black Panther Queen hai ibatu go get chedra Nairobi e represent Meru at the national at the division 1. But we cannot be able to do that not to tatana support county government kanambi. So I think young people feel frustrated now in the area and then a point of authority not to have worked with these young people for the last 2 years. Mantajana mengi mbovete kudhivya interaction ya young people not to kinyakire frustration era bari wa gitara finance bill na binambi. I was involved not to itware nabo kire maandamano and you would listen na nadai to participate nabo ke mantaja kuja create content creation na kuwera ku create commercialize that space. They still don't feel government either nationally to work on talent hela kana kwena mbi. We also want to say that Divas of Mutindwa to kodi ne catch the attention of the national government. Dennis Itumbi talk to us aturingira atu mera area tickets around 40,000. But oigwa the cost of this project was around 22 million. We need more support. We have seen with our production team itutete nyanyeri film ngeke launcha kwa Nyeri. In that screening the governor of Nyeri was there. Minister of Tourism in Kenya. Netre now. Right. And they gave them more than 200,000 kumake ministry na promise for more support. recent after we still screened ours, iko na screening enge Embu, where the member of parliament there was supported. Dennis Itumbi Wengwa attended to that function. So I think kenda tomba kuona support at national level, we need to start seeing support at the county level. Not to tomba ku blame the national government ku attend Nyeri na Embu, but you can see there the governor was there. Na haja ange kwa na support political leadership. Inyaja Meru. We have young people who are looking upon us. Na ikino ntoto kuga na ikino ntoningwa nonto I have been in this space for long. I am very disgruntled and frustrated by the county government Meru reka ritha hichi itongere Kawira Mwangaza nonto we have not seen actual support young people kana kinya mantu tumba kwariria tumba kuga to substantiate ona kwena maendeleo jatete Meru.
All right. Okwariria mantu kidogo je the young people na itonete mantu jeki abductions kana kumwata migwata nyoka tagara ngatiti na arua irembere yetu Justin Muturi egoro na arachomire na a lot of things na barabadre tabake gwato mono i generation ya kagita ka Gen Z demonstration cha Meru cha Kenya onde na Kenya ogoita abo kutainda kona actually you are among those people on the street the young people mantu za antu kudura bake abducted. How is it shipping? Ili shipu otongeria bo Kenya kwanza hata kaneli shipu otongeria bora isi William Ruto hata as we speak.
Abductions really kuonekana chire paint an intolerant regime. Nonto jana tuarika kwa taizi tuaria kuga tika Kenya akiwa na disgruntlement. Nonto finance bill affected every people. Ito kwa mantu a young generation of people who are the most affected. Imbeja na kangerekano. Wakateka kuona earlier on, irere mtu at independence, irere mtu kinyaganya grade 3. Nonto kwa na opportunities nyingi changu hii, ende kutena mtu wakutangu hii, tuwa na less skills. At that point, class 3 mtu wanangu adhira yaka ya wangu hii. Mtu wakinya class 7 ere kentoke atari mono. Wakinya level 7 ogora ndi nyota watikana ro watu wana Nairobi wakinya form 5 ile cheto form 5 and 6 that's a very high level of education. There were jobs, few people to do those jobs, so absorption endelea but tuteromba ku architecture our economy kenda yomba ku absorb non to economy era muchungu atikite iko arena zoning tumenya kwena area majani tukamenya kwena area ekawa kuweria kawa kwethora kwena factories nambi kwethora kwena opportunity cha kuabsorb antu ke those positions but there are to amesira wa agricultural sector kana sectors cheto cha economy tukaija Meru ya thai tukaija no the tumba kumenya what exactly we are producing here kwa an economy ilazima iwe na value chain non to when you drive oka kinyaja moya you can see through rice a lot of people are being that economy has been structured in a way that anto pakaomba kwa absorbed in different value chains kede boda kumiria bidhaa iria kede tractor gutonya miundo nera kede ni anto kurima miundo nera ukaona that is an ideal way how an economy should be structured. Itabati kuna haja tukamenyaga mtu akinya Meru akamenyaga imbiongo kenenya thirikari kejaja turenda batu support along a particular value chain but nande tokinyete at a level where we have very many educated young people but then opportunities but then jobs but tutokomba build confidence from leadership erero kana thirikari erero on how it is able to create new jobs. So young people are frustrated. How can they vent out their frustration? These young people spend a lot of idle time. They are on social media. So what they are only trying to do is to call out a government. Kuthirikari neba kuthikira ekambiria kwa engineers, ekambiria kuthogania. How do we restructure our economy? At this level, this is not the only country kinyete level chara Kenya kinyete. Area on Reagan or America when he was taking power atonyete either an economy ere yangrata ni kapisa. There was high levels of employment, inflation. The economy was actually there was a slowdown in the economy. But I didn't manage that. That's why we elect governments, because to elect a government so they can overpower us. We don't put government to power can they to overpower. We put government to power so that they can have empowerment. Komba goto ita the nene. Reagan na iraitwa Reaganomics ta hii nyamuto no ate it is a model ekoriukia economy thiri applied very basic things mento jatatu kintu kia mbere reduce government expenditure kenda na nturande tha hii turari government ere kuga tutena resources kana baitonya bakiwa it was a dilapidated economy but they increased government spending toigwanga state house ichi gwakwa toigwanga ibakura ngari njeru it's a luxury government. So the first thing you could reduce government expenditure. Secondly, if I reduce regulations ke biashara, kenda kuita biashara kwa very easy nonto. Dirikari ito mba kuandika anto bonde, but ineba tukotora kiomba ku make environment kuita nguge, either very easy. Kenda nyani na mua nonto taizi tugenya kuambia because biashara hospitality Kenya you need a regulation of more than 32 agencies. Kwa hivyo kwenda any criteria can operate legally in Kenya it's almost infeasible. Now the third thing return adhirie can reduce taxation. Kenda to reduce taxation onto if an economy were to work. It is not the responsibility of government alone to build an economy. If I had to twin them, I think Nani was there's this country South Korea. President Ruto was there the other day. At this moment, Gen Z are praising Yambia. In South Korea, the people themselves, South Korea are in a debt. Nontobaga, Kareto Tirikare, Ingi Chirombeta, a lot of debt. But in South Korea, back in level, the country is almost about to be auctioned. The people of South Korea, baitaga nyanza ajaiweku bakanekera thirikari baendie kana bachuenjera people give out their own resources kenda tomba korea their debt but why do Kenyans but tena imani na thirikari nonto thirikari ejere tukugaja like Reagan reduced taxation thirikari ekongera tax eje anto eja ko ease our burden tax eje eja create more agencies tax eje eja ko tumirwa extravagantly, so people do not have trust in government. So I think Antoba Kenya, young people are frustrated. Na daiji, young people buy an exposure. Ne Antoba Thomi. When you tell them that this is a decision you are taking, iba kwenda kuteka rationary, is it going to help me be better off? Nandike that to better off, ni odhi na kuichira. Na young people still have when they get into social media they are venting out never kuthikira na baona what practical decisions can be made but when you abduct young people na waweje uge otekomenya itibatu and again came onto abduction and kwenda nyakuga as a Meru leader the former IG Kome ora umetemeru abutura nguge on an account of abduction ende to kwirwa that ora ko abduct police na Kome na abutura nguge no ntuboi for abduction. I think this is a chance and to bati kuria then we need an apology to our community non to the IG Meru disadvantage yake positions ichirara gochia new appointments na nambi but Kome aitero ngugine akira wa naremiko protect young people bara ba wata wanara kware ba oginkuniene kana nambi na thandi thai tukurike kwirwa inya IG uju na kuga we are responsible. So it's either we have an apology to our community, can we get deserving people from our community by our positions irachi commensurate na the position we lost at Kome.
All right. Thank you so much Bwana Eric na kini nderekero kidogo mathaje tutakate tanga. Na mbere tumagaruka nkendo kwa kanya kaka ogwana ndu ithuro kiariria atongeria bonda ba Kenya. That is twambire kuma kia senator, governor kwina jumbe, ogwana mo bana wethirito gicwa giteke jumbe no thimenti ku no ithuro kitaga utongire na atongire raba kuita if they are going on the right way MCAs beto bonde na kinyamu jumbe yani atongire bonda ba county ya Meru na Meru mbo bera atatukirikiria.
Onenkerekeria mbamba kuga mtu ande arawe position of leadership najo ke position hizi ere position anenkeri mwananchi kenda ate the mwananchi so mwananchi should be supreme kuthikira mwananchi, either you are the president of the Republic of Kenya, whether you are the cabinet secretary, whether you are governor, listen to the voice of the people. Not when you don't listen to them, no karajaka overande you are put to power, can of subdue our people. You cannot do a lot of backlashes. People want to they are being represented. You cannot do issues na members of parliament. They are serving the interest of the executive, and they will serve the president. And these people, they primarily zaidi mwananchi. So the only thing keep endeleni kuthikira mwananchi. Endeleni their decisions, policies na manjujo na maendeleo botegete mwananchi tibuingo as people, tibuingo ku protect in your leadership positions. Na toka people will be happy. Na toka regain public confidence. Na tokinya kila gatumere Mwai Kibaki omba kuongera tax revenue. And onto people had confidence. Maybe their money is working for them. Au tonya oreo anekana free primary education. Muchiari oreo ko struggle jadai January. Hakika yana skuru jamurigo joina morimo. So ibombere ko put all their energies into going back to business. Now when they make money, but then they na kore ambecha inka ikembio ke thirikari in terms of taxation, don't they kuona what the government is doing with their taxation. So Kenya, it's not comprised of leaders alone. And leaders are there to represent the plight. Kana bareo kenda represent kira needs chanto betu.
Right.
Yeah.
Nonto madhaje tu banere kwamba tikira tu tukidikiria. I believe one of the Fridays to that one mubango bedanda mubango jo kutagera the young people and all that. One of these Fridays nyawa track yakosi kia reba Black Panther Queens ndakaicha sana ngwetikia the young people baraba kuba tuma those crafts bado wako.
Crafts bado bakuchora randi mbongere randi na broad based sana.
Yes. We shall plan one of these Fridays to retre nyamo tegeri mbuga pamba tona nya bantu boga mubire ntaka sana sana. No vendo kuona pamba bache baraba meru. The queen themselves sana. Thank you so much sir.
Thank you very much.
Na mategeri wetu ipoka sana ni kuthroina hatui kirenda ina turingime agokare Eric Matweri. There are economists, musiasa na nkurokina dire tokenyare ndebene kiri antobagishoko bunge kya North Imenti. Nedri tuwe ari ndebene na edri tukinyankurukia kithuja na gutegera mantu jege thirikari yetu ya Kenya. Ithiro were na kagita kakega sana batino twa kinyandene mubango joto jo turingie meta wethere on bambeta ka Dennis Moto matocha mane kare rokere aja ara tukatha tukiariri mantu jege ogima bwaku pamwire. Ithiro ore na rukiruruga.